In this video, I'll show you how to download and install GTA 5 on your PC or laptop. First, open your web browser and search for Steam. Open the official Steam website. If you don't already have a Steam account, click Login, then select Create a free account and complete the sign-up process. Next, click Install Steam in the top right corner. Then click Install Steam again to download the installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Steam on your computer. After Steam is installed, launch it and sign in to your account. Now, use the search bar in the top right corner and search for Grand Theft Auto 5 or GTA 5. Open the game page. If prompted, enter your birth date to continue. Choose the edition you want to purchase, then click Add to Cart. Open your cart, click Continue to Payment, select your preferred payment method, complete the purchase, and confirm your order. After the purchase is complete, go to the Library tab and select GTA 5. Click Install, choose the installation location if needed, accept the license agreement, and start the installation. Wait for the download and installation to finish. Once it's complete, click Play from your Steam library to launch GTA 5. And that's how you can download and install GTA 5 on your PC or laptop.